This question states, which organ system is primarily responsible for the removal of waste products from the body? So let's look at all the choices. Option A says the digestive system. And the primary purpose of the digestive system is to take all the foods that our body takes in and extract the nutrients that we need from these foods so we could use for energy, for building mass, for building muscle within the body, and making use out of the foods that we eat. And although this is a very important process, this wouldn't be the body system that's primarily responsible for waste removal. So we could eliminate choice A, digestive system, because there's a better choice here. Option B is the respiratory system. And the purpose of the respiratory system is to allow our body to get oxygen. That's the main purpose, because we need our oxygen to survive and have energy. So the respiratory system has our lungs take in oxygen and expel CO2. And although there are some waste products involved in the process of respiration, the sole purpose of the respiratory system is not removal of waste products. That's just a side part that is involved in the respiratory system. And the question is asking for which is the primarily responsible for waste products. So we can eliminate choice B because there's a better option here. Option C says excretory, and excretory means excrete. And if you think about what excrete means, it means to let out, let go. And it sounds a lot like you're removing something if you're letting it go. Removal. So even if you aren't entirely sure what all these systems do, looking at the words could be helpful in this case. And that is correct because the excretory system is what removes waste products in the body. This is the urinary system, and the urinary system's purpose is to remove harmful waste that's building up in the blood, filter it through the kidneys, and remove it in the form of urine to remove waste products. So that's correct. Option C, excretory system. But let's take a look at option D. Option D states the circulatory system, and the circulatory system is related to the cardiovascular system, pumping blood throughout the body, so all your oxygen could your organs by being circulated. And there might be some waste products involved down to the microchemistry level. However, the primarily responsible body system for removal of waste would be the excretory system. That's not a primary responsibility of the circulatory system, so we can eliminate option D. Alright, so that leaves us with option C, the excretory system, which is the body system primarily responsible for the removal of waste products.